Hello, everybody. My name is Lorna Owens. I am CEO of Footprints Foundation. We work to reduce maternal and infant mortality around the world. I'm going to make a really short video for you so that it helps you in putting together your clean birthing kit. So sorry I couldn't be here, but here we go. This is assembly line. Everybody has their own chair. Make sure you have, this is station number one. Your garbage bag, biodegradable garbage bag, right? Then you're going to station number two will have your gauze. And for each kit, you're going to need 4 pieces of gauze. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 alcohol swabs, right? 1 razor blade, cord tie, you need 2 pieces, mother's side, baby's side, and then you're going to need 6 gloves. That's 3 pairs. So 1, 2, 3. We do that because they deliver in pairs, and we put an extra one just in case something gets broken. So when you start, make sure you clean your surface, just sanitize it a bit. Keep your bags off the work surface, keep your coffee off the work surface. And before you touch anything, sanitize your hands, okay? So we go over it again. Each person is in their station. It sounds very simple, but people make mistakes all the time because by the time they start having a good time, we always find several or 1 or 2 with just doesn't have all the content. So you're going to make it about this size, and you're going to put your 4 gauze pads on it like this. 4, okay? Remember, 2 alcohol swabs, razor blade, your cord tie. When you make it, don't make it so tight because they're going to have to undo it. And then you get your gloves and you make it like a ball. There's no special way to doing it. Just put it together like a little ball. So that's kind of what you want to see more than how you do it, right? Just roll it up, nice little ball, because you want everything to be like small. So that's it. You should be seeing something that looks like this. And you put it together. What am I doing? You're putting it, just rolling it. That's what you're doing, just rolling it, all right? And then you cut like this. You get your sandwich bag, you place it in there. And the last thing you put on the outside is your soap, because you want the attendants to wash their hands before they go rummaging through the contents of this birthing kit. Ziploc, close it like this. You should hear it like catch. You want to get out all the air. This has air in it, so I'm going to reopen it. I'm going to get out all the air so that when it gets on the plane, it just doesn't open up, all right? Do this. And that's it. You just put it in the box that you're sending to me, and this is it. You might want to have somebody check to make sure this is nice and good, and even do a spot check to make sure that people aren't getting so excited that they forget to put all the content in. Listen, if you can always call me at 305-505-5493. Email me at contact@lornaowens.com. or go to footprints-foundation.org. Thank you so much for doing this. Sorry I can't be there, okay?